Hello everyone, it's quarter after 10 Tuesday morning, December 4th, and I'm on Buttermilk Sound heading towards Brunswick, Georgia. Had an early start this morning. I had to anchor up by 7 a.m. and the sun didn't even come up until 7:15, but I was trying to take advantage of the high tide, which was at around 6:30, and had a number of shallow places to deal with today, and wanted to do it when I had at least half of a high tide. We just passed the last of the ones that Waterway God warned about. So we still got probably another maybe 20 miles to where we're going to stop for the night, which is Brunswick Landing Marina. I've heard good things about this place. One of which is they maintain a keg of beer on tap for the slip holders every day, and 2 or 3 nights a week they have wine parties where they provide the wine. So anyway, it should be a fun interlude. I've anchored out the last 2 nights. Get a view of the desolate Georgia swampland here. There's been absolutely nothing around this waterway. And you can see my my chart or not. Anyway, the autopilot's doing its thing.
Land safe. I'll pull back when I get close to you.
Anyway, don't have much to say. Thought y'all would get a kick out of seeing this. I hadn't
Barry Duckworth, you got it?
hadn't uploaded anything in a few days, so maybe I'll get some shots of the marina once I get there.